Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So it is being given to you in the question that uh, B is parallel to this one. Okay. And it is being asked in the question, you need to find out the value of, okay, find out the value of EC and AC and AD and DE. You need to find out the value of AC and DE, and it is being given to you in the question. Tell me. DE is parallel to BC here. DE is actually parallel to BC. Okay. And it is being given to you in the question that it is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This one is 10 centimeter. AB whole is as a 10 centimeter. BC is equals to 12 centimeter. AE is equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, then find out the value of AC and DE. Are you solving?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Found, sir.
Yes, what is the answer?
C is equal to 9 and D, sorry,
C is equals to 9 and D is
uh,
equals to
D is equal to 8 and
D,
AC is equal to 9 plus.
AC is equals to 15.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it will be 15. So you can simply solve this question because these two triangle, this one, this triangle and the bigger one, these two are similar actually. Okay. So you can write it 4 upon 6 will be equals to 6 upon x. So when you get 4 upon 6 equals to 6 upon x, so x will be equals to 36. Mean this 6 will goes to that side and this 4 will comes to that side. So this will be actually equals to, when you cut it, you will get 9. So when this is 9, the whole will be this one, and it will be equivalent to, it will be also equivalent to 8 upon 12. The ratio of this one will also equals to, means you can write it the whole ratio. लेकिन आपको एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है कि you have to write the whole ratio, means ये पूरी एक साइड है ट्रायंगल की, ये भी पूरी एक साइड है ट्रायंगल की. So we cannot write it 4 upon 6 is equals to 8 upon 12 नहीं कर सकते इसको, या x upon 12 नहीं कर सकते. We don't know the value of this one. So let's find out the value of this one. So DE कितना होगा? That would be 4 upon 10, 4 upon 10 will be equivalent to x upon 12. So that would be equivalent to, when you multiply this one, you will get here x is equals to 12 into 4 upon 10. Okay, beta. So x will be equivalent to 4, it's a 48. So that would be 4.8. It will not be 8, beta. It will be 4.8. Okay. Got it? गलती का पता चला कहाँ पे कर रही थी? If we are comparing the whole sides, we have to compare it with the whole sides. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we have to take this 4 upon the 10 because this is one side of the triangle and this one, the 10 will be the side of the other side of the full triangle. And this will be DE, it means X upon this one is BC, the whole side. So you have to compare this one. Next question. If I'm saying that this angle is equals to Z and this angle is equals to R is equals to X. So name the triangle that will be similar, that you will consider are similar. Name the triangle that we will name it.
Sir, can you repeat? We should name the triangle.
What you will saying? What you will be saying?
Sir, we should name the triangle like which is similar.
Yes, beta. क्या था?
Sir, what is the question?
You have to write the name of the triangle. If I'm saying that this angle is equals to this angle and this angle is actually equals to this angle, then what would if I'm writing here that triangle PQR would be similar to, name the triangle.
Okay, so answer is triangle PQR is similar to triangle YZX.
Triangle Y, okay, then
YZX.
Z and X. Okay, let's move further. So okay, if I'm saying that okay, this has been given to you, this is a triangle, okay, and actually if I'm making the two triangles, let's suppose if I'm making the two triangles here, ABC and PQR, ABC and PQR, ये दो triangles हैं, okay, and if I'm saying that these are the altitude of this one, these are the altitude of these two. So if I'm saying that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so how will you prove that AD upon, so this is AD, this is PQRS. So AD upon PS will be equals to AB upon PQ. How will you prove this one? Will it be equal or not? First of all, tell me.
Sir, that is D or what? D or B?
Yes. AD upon PS will be equals to AB upon PQ. Will it be equal or not? If I'm saying that ABC triangle is equals to PQR.
Sir, I have one more doubt. That in the top it is R or S, both look same.
Here, this is S,
Above, sorry, P or R.
P or R. And this is P. This one is P,
Oh.
and that was R.
Yes, so then it is similar. Means equal. Yes, sir, it is correct.
That is correct. How can you prove that?
Because AD is equal to PS when triangle ABC is similar to PQR.
AD is equals to PS. So we know that this is not the proportionate side. हम लोग तो ये जानते हैं ना कि ये साइड नहीं है. ट्राइंगल की जो साइड होती है वो एक ये है, एक पूरी ये वाली साइड है, दूसरी ये वाली साइड है, and the third one is this one and this one. So this is not the side of the triangle. Then how can we say this one will be also equal?
What, sir? Can you repeat your question?
I'm asking that कि हम लोग जब दो ट्राइंगल्स आपस में सिमिलर होते हैं तो वी यूजुअली राइट their proportionate side, means AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR, but we don't write their altitudes. So will the altitude be also equal or not? Asila, why are you not responding, beta? Asila, is I'm audible to you clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me, this is not only the question from the sadhana, you can also answer the question. So how can you say that AD upon PS will be also equals to AB upon PQ? Yes, we can prove that if these two triangles are similar, then actually this triangle and this triangle will also be considered as equal, means similar. They will be also similar. And how can you prove that? How can you prove that? These two triangles are also similar. Do you have any idea?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, tell me.
If we prove that,
if I'm saying that ABC triangle is similar to triangle PQR, then would this portion, if I'm making their altitude, will this be proportionate होगा कि नहीं होगा? Means if this triangle means triangle ABD will be similar to triangle PQS.
if PQS is similar to PSR, or sorry, if PQS is similar to PQR, then it will be similar to ABD also, triangle ABD also.
How can you prove this one?
Because triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, so the half of this and triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC, so this half and that half can be similar if triangle ABC is similar to PQR.
Okay, so if I'm saying here that how can we prove this one, that these two triangles are similar also? Okay, so if actually these are the medians. Okay, actually these are not the altitude, these are the medians. Okay, these are the medians. Okay, so if I'm saying that this triangle is similar to this one, so how can you prove that this if these are the medians, so that corresponding medians will be also equal? So if I'm saying that AD and PS are medians, means they are bisecting the third side. So I can write it, angle B is equals to angle Q. Why? Because this is similar to this one, this triangle is similar to this one. Okay, moreover अगर मैं इनको altitude भी मानता हूं, तब भी ये सिमिलर होंगे, क्योंकि 90 डिग्री है. This you can consider this is angle is 90 degree, so this is 90 degree. So by two angles this triangle will be similar to this one. Okay. Moreover, अगर ये medians भी हुए तब भी ये similar होंगे, मतलब medians भी corresponding sides के हम लोग आपस में prove कर सकते हैं. How can you prove this one? You can prove that AD upon PQ is actually equals to, now if considering this one, if I am saying that, देखो you got it that if it is altitude then it will be similar होगा triangle, और अगर median है तभी भी similar होगा. Means if I am considering AD as median, AD and PS as medians, तभी भी ये similar होगा छोटा वाला triangles बड़े वाले छोटे वाले triangle के साथ. Otherwise if we are considering this one, we are considering this one as altitude, then these two triangles are similar. How can you say that this angle will be equal to this one? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so their corresponding angles will be equal. B angle जो होगा वो Q के equal होगा, R जो होगा वो C के equal होगा, complete A complete P के equal होगा. So here we are in the smaller triangle, we are only having the B. So B is equals to Q and this one is equals to this one. Okay. Now what you need to write here is, okay, ये हमारे पास median है. Okay. Let's assume that this is a median. So we assume that this side will be equals to this side and this side will be equals to this side. So if the triangle ABC is similar, if the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, okay. So we can write it AB upon PQ will be equal होगा, AB upon PQ will be equal to BC upon QR. Now dividing BC and QR by 2, you can write it BC by 2 upon QR by 2. So what I can write BC by 2? BC by 2 is actually, because if I'm considering AD as median instead of triangle, instead of altitude, now I'm considering this one as median. So I can write it BD. BC by 2 is means BD upon QR by 2 means QS, because when I'm considering this one as medium, so this S will be the midpoint of this side QR, and if I'm considering AD as median, then BC will be considered as a midpoint of this one. So if I'm saying that AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QS, AD upon PQ is equals to BD upon QS, then and their corresponding angles are also equal. So we can simply say that this triangle will be similar to this triangle. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if we are having a triangle and if the triangles are similar, then their not only the corresponding sides ratio will be proportionate, but their medians and altitude will also be proportionate. Okay. So if I'm citing this triangle, about this triangle, if I'm saying that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and so I can write it AB upon BC is equals to PQ upon QR is equals to AC upon PR is equals to AD upon PS. AD and PS can be median. It can be median or altitude. Got it, beta? Got it? Let's move further. Okay. So we have done this question. Okay. This is a simple midpoint theorem but we are not going to have the proofs. Okay. We have done this question previously. Question number 14 we have done. Okay. So if I'm saying this in this question, if it is being given to you that we have this triangle, okay, this is a right angle triangle, you can consider this one. Okay. So we are having this triangle. Okay. And here we have we need to prove that 4BL square plus CM square means, what we need to prove here is, or let me draw this triangle to some other parts, okay, some other sides. So what we need to do is here ABC, right angle at A, and BL and BM. Okay. Okay. So if I'm drawing this triangle like this way, okay, and this is right angle triangle at A, this one is B, and this one is C, and this one is L, and this one is, I think, LM. Okay, this one is M, and this one is L, and you need to prove that for BL square plus CM square is equals to 5BC square. Okay, for bracket BL square plus CM square is equals to 5BC square. How will you be able to prove this one? If it is being given to you that ABC is only right angle triangle.
Sir,
Yes.
what should we do?
What you need to do is you need to prove this one, that 4BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. How will you able to prove this one? Do you have any idea? Okay. They are the three triangles. They are the three triangles. First one is this one. Second one is this one. And third one is ABC. Using the Pythagoras theorem, like we can write it, BL square is equals to AL square plus AB square. So first equation will be like this way. Make the other two equation from these two sides, from other two triangles.
Sir, which two triangles should we take? BCM and BCL.
Yes, and now you have to take you have taken, first we have taken BLA. This is the first right angle triangle. Now take the MCA. Okay, so in triangle MCA, this will be the hypotenuse, so you can write it CM square is equal to AC square plus MA square, AM square. Okay, this is our second equation. Okay, now you know that in the question we need this one and this one, BL square plus CM square. So do you have any idea that what we need to do in the next step? अगले स्टेप में हम लोग क्या करें ऐसा जो हम लोग को BL स्क्वायर प्लस CM स्क्वायर मिल जाए?
Sir,
Yes. We have to add first and second equation. We have to add first and second equations. Okay, adding first and second, we will get BL square plus CM square. What you will get in this one? AC square. Sorry, this is not AC. This is AL square. AL square plus AB square plus AC square plus AM square. Okay, and you need only BC square. So do you have any idea what we need to do in the next step? What should we do?
sir, we should make this AB square plus AC square is inside one. We can add it and we can make it BC square. So we'll get 2 BC square.
Okay. So we will get it AAL. What we can write AL? AL is actually, okay. Now what you can do here is, this one is AB square plus BC square, sorry, AC square. That is also equals to BC square. How can you write this one? But from this triangle, if you are taking this bigger one triangle, so you can write it BC square. BC square is equals to AC square plus AB square. Okay. So in place of this one, you can write this way. So you can write it AL square plus BC square plus AM square. And it is being given in the question to you that L and M are the midpoints of the side AB and AC. M is the midpoint of this side and this one is the midpoint of this side. So what you can write AL in terms of AC? What you can write AL in terms of AC?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
In the equation 1 and 2, did you write L?
1 and 2. This one is AL, this one is AL, and this one is AC.
Okay, sir. Sir, but still how could... Oh, this is BL square.
No, this one is actually, yes, it is BL square. BL square means this one. So in triangle, we are talking about in triangle BLA. And this one is in triangle CMA. Okay. So now you can write AL. What you can write AL? You can write AL as AC by 2. So you can write it AC by 2 whole square plus BC square plus AM. What you can write AM? AM is actually half of AB. So you can write here AB by 2 whole square. So when you open their square, so you can write here AC square means AC square by 4 plus BC square plus AB square by 4. AB square by 4. Okay, when you take the when you take the LCM of these all 4 as a 4 LCM, so what you can write here, जब आप इनका LCM लेंगे तो आप यहाँ पर 4 लिख लीजिए. That will be AC square plus 4BC. It will become 4BC. AC square plus 4BC square will be equals to 4AB square. AB square. Now you can write it BL square plus CM square. Okay. Now this 4 will goes to that side. It will get multiplied there, and you will get able to find out the answer. Got it? Means AC or AB 4AB. Sorry, this is not 4AB. यहाँ पर नहीं आएगा. अभी आप क्या करेंगे? AC square और AB square को फिर से आप BC लिख सकते हैं. And 4BC is already here. So 4BC plus BC. Because AB square plus AC square is actually equals to BC square. ये बड़े वाले triangle की hypotenuse है. So if I'm talking about this one, but if I'm talking about this one, so AB square, this one AB square, and this one AC square will be equals to BC square. So instead of writing AB square and BC square, AB square and AC square, we can write it BC square is equals to upon 4 we are having here, and that will be BL square plus CM square. Now this 4 will goes to that side, will become 4 BL square plus CM square is equals to 5 BC square. 5 BC square. Got it?
Sir, can you show once more down?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Done, beta. Done?
Yes, sir.
Let's move further. Okay. We have a triangle. Okay. And AD is perpendicular to BC. It is being given to you in the question that ABC is right angle triangle. ABC is right angle triangle, and AD is actually right angle at A. So let me make this triangle once more. It is being given in the question that ABC is right angle triangle, right angle at A. ABC is right angle triangle, and here we have AD such that BD is equals to okay, DC is equals to 3BD. It is being given to you in the question that DC is equals to or CD is equals to, okay, this is not DC. Here C is in this question is written here. Okay, so I have to change this one. Okay, so this one is C and this one is B, and it is being given in the question to you that CD is 1/3 of BD. It is being given to you. Now you need to prove that 2AB square. What you need to prove is 2AB square is equals to BC square plus 2AC square. 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. 2AB square is equals to BC square plus 2AC square. 2AB square is equals to 2AC square. 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. Okay, you need to prove this one. And it is a right angle triangle, right angle at A, and it is also right angled. Tell me, how will you prove?
Sir, I remember like we have done this question before itself.
No, we have not done this one. We have done similar to this one. We have done which one, in which actually we were having this triangle and ABC is an equilateral triangle, and it was given that BD is 1/3 of BC. And then we have drawn this E. This was not, वो दूसरा triangle था जिसमें हम लोग को प्रूफ करना था कि 9AD square is equals to 7BC square. Asila?
Yes, sir.
Why are you not responding, beta?
Sir, man, it is not coming, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please do this question.
Sir, I don't know.
Done.
No, sir.
नहीं हुआ.
I can't figure it out.
Okay. Okay. So if it, in such type of question, if it is being given to you, here the ratio of BC to BD is being given to you. Sometimes कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है क्वेश्चन में कि आपको CD और BC का रेशियो दिया होगा, ना कि जैसे we have done the question, previous question. In that question, we have the ratio of CD and BC, but here we have a simple ratio that CD is equals to 1/3 of BD. So we can write it, if it is X, then it will be 3X. Okay. Now we need to prove this one. So how can we prove this one? First of all, we need the AB. AB, how can we get AB? AB is square. AB in a square. How can we get AB in a square? So we have the two triangles. One is this one. If we use the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, and if we use the Pythagoras theorem in the bigger triangle, so we can get the AB square. So how let's write that one. उसको लिखते हैं दोनों conditions में. So in triangle ADB में AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square plus BD square, and BD we have assumed that it is 3X. So we are just replacing this one because in our question we don't need the BD. We actually need the BC, the whole BC. Okay, so that would be 4X. Okay, so you can write it AD. AB square is equals to AD square plus 3X square. Okay, so you can write it AB square is equals to AD square, okay, plus 9X square. Okay, so this is our first equation. Now using the triangle, this one, we have to use the other triangles also. Okay, so let's take the triangle ABC, the bigger triangle. So we can write here BC. Okay, let's take the smaller one first. So we can write here AC square means this hypotenuse is actually equals to X square plus AD square. Got it, beta? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can have this first triangle, this one, second triangle, this one. We have used the Pythagoras theorem in these two. Do we need the AB and AC in our question? Yes, we need the AB and AC in our question. Okay, so we need not to replace it with AC. Yes, we need to replace it with AC now. Okay, so what we need to do here is when we add these two equations, what we can get when we add these two equations. So we can write here AB square
We will get
plus
BC square
is equals to AD square, and actually we don't need the AD. So adding these two will create a problem. Okay, because we don't need the AD in our questions. So we have to replace the value of AD. Okay, so how can we replace the value of AD? So AD is actually AD square is equals to AC square minus X square. Okay, so you can place this value here in this equation. So you can get AB square is equals to AC square minus X square minus X square, okay, plus 9X square. So you can get it AC square is plus 8X square is equals to AB square. Okay, now we have this value. Now we also know that BC square is actually equals to AC square plus BC square, means this side also equals to AC square plus AB square. Got it? Got it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now what we
Yes,
don't
sir.
need in the question? What we don't need in the question? Tell me. We need the AC? Yes, we need the AC. Do we need the AB? Do we need the AB in the question? Yes, we need the AB, AC, but we don't need the X square. But we don't need this X square. So how can I write this one? How can I write this one in terms of BC? Because I need BC. I need BC. So how can I write this one? Tell me.
4 by 3 square. 8 into 4 by 3 square.
Actually, BC is 4x, and we have only 8x. So square of this one is 16x square hoga. The value of BC square is equals to 16x square. Okay, beta, got it? The value of BC square is equals to 16 because this one is x and this one is 3x. So total BC will be 4x. The value of BC is actually 16x square. So if I divide it by 2 here and here also, so it will get 8x square. Okay, so we can write here that BC by 2 square is actually equals to BC by 2 square. BC by 2 square is actually equals to 8x square. Okay, so you can write here AB square is equals to AC square plus BC by 2 square. Now taking the LCM, so you can write here 2AC square plus BC square is equals to AB square. Now this 2 will goes to that side. This will become 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Please copy this one.
Finished, sir.
Finish? Okay. Let's move further. We have done this one. Okay. Prove this simple question. This is for you. It is being given to you in the question that this is simple question that AD is actually ABC is an isosceles triangle and AD is perpendicular. Okay. AD is perpendicular to side BC and it is also dividing it into two halves. Okay, it is also dividing into two halves. So, so you need to prove that 4AD square is equals to 3AB square. It is being given that ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Means all sides are equal and AD is actually perpendicular and median also. Proved.
Doing some. So can you do?
What are you saying? Done?
So it is coming wrong. Can you do something?
Okay. So if I'm saying here that this is a right angle triangle, sorry, this is an equilateral triangle and AD is the median. Or in an equilateral triangle, AD is a median and it is also a altitude. Okay. So here we have this one. So how can we prove this one? We have taken this one that